morning everybody, and welcome to Golf Drills for the Garden number 30. Today we're going to do a simple putting drill. It is very simple, but it is my absolute favourite one for pressure putt training and also honing your stroke. And it's the one that's been Tiger Woods' favourite all his life. So all we're going to do is set up a drill where you're going to try and hole about a 5-foot putt. You can do it anywhere between 4 and 8 feet. That's a real key scoring sort of distance. Tiger Woods, when he's on a putting green, puts tee pegs in the ground, making sure that they're all just slightly wider than the width of his putter head and pointing perfectly in the direction that you need to start the putt. Then you're going to see how many out of 10 you can hole in a pressure situation. Make sure that you go through your pre-shot drill every single time. Don't just drag the ball in and hit it. Treat it as if it was a putt in a tournament and start to score yourself out of 10. Now obviously if you start to waver with your putting stroke, you're going to start to clip tee pegs. So not only have you got to hold the putt, but you've got to make sure that the putter head doesn't come into contact with any of the tee pegs, or if you're on a carpet at home like I'm doing here, you can line up a set of golf balls in line that you mustn't touch the golf balls. Now, the only key fundamental which will really help you to make this even more solid is to go back to my Golf Drills number 15, where I talked about the putting fundamentals. And one of the really key things that will help you is to make sure that your shoulders, forearms are parallel to the path of your stroke. So if you can ask somebody to hold a shaft across your forearms and your shoulders and check you're parallel, that will mean that as you hone this stroke where the putter head doesn't touch the balls and swings perfectly down the line, that shoulders, arms, hands and putter are absolutely rocking together, which is obviously a more compact motion with less moving parts. It is possible for the putter head to swing down this path with your shoulders offline, but the problem is then you're having to manipulate your hands independently to your shoulders, and it's something which takes more training to piece together, and it's probably going to work less consistently under pressure. If you get to the stage where you're holding 10 out of 10, then you can put yourself under more pressure and say, right, well, each time you go into the drill, you're not allowed to stop your training until you've held 10 out of 10 to try and create that pressure situation. The other thing you can do is you can start to make these gaps even narrower, so you've literally just got 1 or 2 millimeters either side of the head of your putter, so that path of stroke has to be absolutely perfect to not clip the balls. And obviously if you get 10 out of 10 from 4 or 5 feet, you can start to go out to 6 or 8 feet. So it's a very simple one, but it's great for pressure training, it's great for honing the path of the stroke. And actually with this one, this putt is actually just outside the right lip, so therefore I'm also having to hit it at perfect distance control in order for it to take the right swing and hold the putt as well. So that can give you one added element if you're putting on a surface which isn't completely flat. And you can go back and think about the length of stroke required and the amount of power you're generating as well, just to add that extra element. So let's give it a go. Okay, so we're aiming just outside the right lip. Yep, just swinging slightly, but just left of centre in the hole. Okay, so you can see there the path of the putter head swinging nicely down inside. It's a good path of stroke, the face is square, so they're going to go in time and time again. Going to really build your confidence, so give it a go, lots of practice and have fun.